Hello everyone, it is time to review the answer to our Metabolic Health Hacks quiz question. We asked, which hormone is most important to manage for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels? And the correct answer is B, insulin. Most of you are so clever. You got the answer right. Insulin is the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels. It helps your body use glucose for energy and stores excess glucose for future use. When insulin levels are not properly managed, it can lead to conditions like insulin resistance, prediabetes, or diabetes. By maintaining a healthy diet, regular physical activity, and managing stress, you can support healthy insulin function and keep your blood sugar levels in check. Stay tuned for more health tips and quizzes.